Hello friends, today we are going to understand the solar eclipse. This is the main event that is going today. So first we have to understand that in solar eclipse we know that the position in which moon, this is moon, this is sun, and this is earth, those three comes in a straight line and moon comes between the earth and the sun. This position is called the solar eclipse, and you can see that this is the moon's orbit and this is the partial shadow. This is the partial shadow of moon. So what will happen today when these rays of sun will be in front of earth? This moon will make a hindrance. This position is called the solar eclipse. Now we understand the whole concept. What is the today's date? Today's date is 21st June. Most other places will witness a partial eclipse when moon passes between the earth and the sun. The moon passes between the earth and sun. Rare celestial event, an annular solar eclipse, which is popularly known as ring of fire. What is called ring of fire? Will be visible on Sunday in parts of India. We will have in India this phenomena. Though the central path of the eclipse will begin its journey in Congo. In India, it traverses from Suratgarh, Rajasthan, Sirsa, Kurukshetra, Dehradun, Chamoli, Joshimath in Uttarakhand, and thus giving a people these areas the opportunity to observe the sun as a ring of fire. So friends, it will not happen in the whole India. Mainly it will happen in North India. The moon comes between the earth and the sun. A total eclipse, the disk of the sun is fully obscured by the moon. In partial and annular eclipse, only a part of sun is obscured. People of Tamil Nadu will get a witness of partial. In South India, we will have partial solar eclipse. This year, Tamil Nadu Science and Technology Center has not made arrangement for people to view the partial solar eclipse in Chennai. Its executive director S. Sundararajan said arrangements were not made. What were the reason? Coronavirus. So the people will not be collected at the same place. So what will be the timing? We will have understand the timing of this solar eclipse. The annular solar eclipse will be visible only in few places of northern India, while rest of the country will observe the event of partially said a press release from the Planetary Society of India. Across the world, the eclipse will various phases will occur between 9:16 a.m. to 3:00 p.m. in India, depending on the location of a person of the central path. The eclipse mostly partial phase will be visible between 9:56 a.m. to 2:29 p.m. The press release. Across the world, the eclipse will be visible in the region covering Africa except western and southern part, Southeast Europe, Asia except North and Eastern Russia and Indonesia among others. So friends, what we have understand that in North India we can see the full solar eclipse, but in South India we can have partial today. The position of these three planets, you can say not planets, these three objects, sun, moon and earth. The moon will come between the sun and earth. So thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe this video also.